Officer, what am I doing here? Why have you brought me into a dark room? What am I doing here? I thought you said I had a visitor. You know, I think it's high time you people started giving me names and pictures of my visitors so I can approve and then know who what I'm coming to meet. Why is this room dark? What am I doing here? Lydia, what do you want?
Sorry for interrupting your vacation. I never knew that you have already adapted to your new environment. What a sight. The Almighty, Oledo, the pride of Irizu Kingdom, now a confirmed murderer. Oh my goodness, my bad. Oh.
You know, they say the butterfly thinks himself a bird. In or out of this place, Lydia, you can never, ever be better than me. You are so pathetic. You think me being here makes you big. My darling, you are still that church common rat you have always been. And you can never, not in this life or in any life to come, be bigger than who you are right now, because you are a churchin. You should go somewhere and mourn you not being a queen, because I know that was your greatest ambition in life. And I am so sorry that you failed at it. I'm so sorry. Wow, cock. Shut up and listen. You are poor. So poor, my darling. And I'm sure when I talk about you being poor, you think I was talking about you being hungry and homeless. Psst, stupid girl. Far from it. You are poor because I see you. Your deepest fear, Lydia, is being unwanted, uncared for, unaccepted. So you see, I know you deep down. To think you came here to spite me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry to make you cry.
Proud peacock. I will make sure you rot in jail for killing my dear father.
Oh, please shut up. Shut that thing you call a mouth in between your face. Like you care about your father-in-law. As for you saying you will make sure I rot in jail, my darling, look around you. You are a prisoner just like me. But the difference is, I know who I am, but you don't know who you are. You are a prisoner of yourself. Stupid girl. To think you got ready in your house, dressed like a masquerade, thinking you are looking all good to conspite me, and then you are going home angry and crying. Gosh. You're a fool. Damn girl, you are so lucky. You are so lucky I am on this other side of the table. I would have beaten you blue, black, and red. Idiot. Gosh, you're such a fool. Officer!
This is not the end.
Remember, nothing is hidden under the sun. You may try to cover up. You may try to pretend you, but it's for a while. Whatever you plant today must germinate tomorrow, whether good or bad. You can't cheat nature. Stop pretending.
Oh no. You're welcome. Please sit.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I came as soon as I received your message.
Oh no, I wanted to seek your counsel on a pressing issue. You've always been my father's confidant for a long time now. Even though you betrayed him. But I know there's one reason that made him to still retain you as his #1 advisor.
The wisdom is of the gods. We are only a vessel used unto honor.
Oh no, I've been under intense pressure to drop the case against my wife. She's my wife, but she must pay for her crime.
That is correct. She shouldn't have taken laws into her hands. They lost the chance years ago. May I ask a question? What does your mind say to you?
That doesn't really matter.
My king, it does. Especially what your conscience says you must do. Think properly before you respond. Because you must be sure if your action will benefit you or your people.
I know I love my wife. But knowing that she killed my father, it's all confusing.
My dear, that is why you have to be sure of your decision, because your decision will either make you or mar you.
Mama. You know the music now? When they will be singing, tingling, 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 tingling. I will be dancing. Mama. Mama, no, soon. That is the song that you will be singing. When you will be looking for me, that is the song. Mama.
How many times did I call you? Who did this to you?
Mama, wait a minute.
And this why you're carrying back. Where are you going to?
Mama, with this question now, the answer is what they call one leg. Pap! I will enter Mpo Junction. From Mpo Junction, I will enter Obosi to look for my greener pasture. Yes.
You are traveling to where? That's what I want to ask.
Mama, there is no need to ask me that question. Since you and Papa have rejected, you people have rejected me. Yes, you disowned me and Papa disfathered me. So why will I still be here? What do you want me to be here and doing? Mama, I'm going out there to look for my Ghanaian pastor. Sitting here, come.
You are my son. You are my son. How do you think that why do you think that your father and I would disown you? How do you think that we will hate you? We don't hate you, and we can never hate you because you are our son. What we hate is your character. You better change, if I may ask. Who do you know in the city that you want to go and visit this?
Who did you know? Now is not the time to ask who did you know, Mama. Now is the time of one leg. I will enter.
See, go and drop that bag. Go and drop. Listen to me, I'm your mother. Go and drop that bag.
And look at what you're saying. And you are here. When you'll be here looking at him when he's talking to me that way. He'll be talking to me, asking you, who is the father of this child? Who gave birth to this? Who is this? And you will always keep quiet. Now he can namad him. Mama, when I get to the city, he may go and Mama. That is the music you sing, the song you sing. I don't have Mama. Sit here, come.
My queen, we cannot allow such a thing to happen. We the youths must make sure that justice is served. And if care is not taken, King Udoka's body will be disposed.
Bam! You have spoken like one true son of the soil. And the youths need to mount pressure on the elders to do the needful. Olwedo must be brought to justice or nothing else.
Your Majesty, that has been our plan from the onset. Justice must be served.
You are the future of Asiama Kingdom. And you all cannot sit and watch things go wrong. Now let me shock you. Do you know the disgrace? The shame Olwedo's action has brought to the kingdom? Do you know? We have become a laughing stock.
Your Majesty, you're right. We have become a laughing stock. And it must end.
Odogu, you can have this for your transport. For your transport fare.
All this?
Yes, all this for you.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Majesty. let me run out.
See, what I'm saying is that Udoka have to allocate that throne. Since his wife killed our late king, Udunga, you have to abdicate.
So how is all this related to King Udoka himself? The throne is his inheritance. The wife only acted alone.
You and I know what I'm saying. But if I may ask, how was you convinced? He might have sent his wife to kill him. After all, his father never loved him.
Anyways, I'm heading to King Udoka to tell him what his brother's wife is plotting.
Don't say I did not want you. Don't say I did not want you. I'm telling you as my best friend now. Don't say I did not want you.
Udoka, what is going on here? Udoka.
What's the meaning of this?
What is going on here? Can you talk to me? What is going on? Move it. Move.
Why are you so embittered? Huh? Why are you so bittered? What is this thing about you on the throne of Esima? In your blind ambition, you no longer care about what we share together.
What is this, Your Majesty? What is the meaning of this?
What is what? What is what? This is my father's house. Do you understand? It's my father's house. you and your wife engaged in a war over this throne. What is this? What is going on? Your wife had planned an uprising, bribing the youths to revolt war against my kingship.
That is not true. No. It's a lie.
You lie. That is true. And do you know what? Both of you are no longer part of this family. I do not want to see you here again. Guards!
Udoka, I'm still your brother.
And make sure they go out with nothing except their bags.
Remember the special bond that we shared.
Oh, you know of that? Why didn't you think of that before engaging war? Planning stupid things with your wife against my kingship. You never thought of that!
Let's settle things out.
Settle what? You are leaving the palace. Take them away.
This is not nice.
No!
Udoka.
That is not true! Will you leave me alone?
Move it!
Udoka.
Haven't you done enough? Have you not done enough? What else do you want? Haven't you done enough? Haven't you done enough? Have you not cost me enough? You ruined my life. You ruined me. Cost me so much heartbreak. What else do you want to take? Have you to take it everything? I hate you and I pray you rot in hell. I pray you suffer all everlasting there.
You have every right to be mad at me. Everything changed that night, and that's how I feel. I lost all the respect I have that night. And just few minutes of lost, your father decided you marry Udoka just to punish me. I am so sorry.
You think me marrying your son is to punish you? You think it's punishment enough? You all ruined my life. You all ruined me. You ruined my life. You ruined me. You ruined me, and I hope you rot in hell. Rot in hell.
I'm sorry. I am sorry.
It was just a dream. I'm still here, a prisoner.
Life is not the way you see it. Listen well before you take action one more. Life is not the way you see it. Listen well before you take action one more. Life is not the way you see it. Listen well before you take action one more.
Oh no! Your away match sword is here.
But I'm the wrong. Okay,
Your Baram, welcome back home. You are in your home.
Away match sword.
Welcome.
Away match sword. You are welcome. Eh? But let me tell you one thing. You see this house? It will not contain both of us. It won't! Ayeme, you better go back to your mother's house and invite your father over. Okay? Oyabani. If ever!
I don't want.
Anom.
I don't want.
Chita. Okay.
How's your wine?
What's that, yeah?
Madam, where you go pay me my money, my feet. No time, my feet go meet up for my life, I beg.
And the best to come to those who never give up.
My king, I am humbled by your kindness for getting me out of this problem. For that, I am deeply and sincerely grateful for everything you did. Thank you. Thank you. And I also want to use this opportunity to say and promise you that I will be of good behavior and I will never, ever, for no reason, betray your trust and love for me.
That's not the reason I dropped the charges. And because of some unprevailing circumstances, you can no longer be my queen. One needs someone who can love him unconditionally. Yeah.
My lord.
And I've made some necessary arrangements so you can go and stay in one of the family estates in the US. And some money will be sent to you from divorce settlement.
My king. My king. Please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of everything you hold dear. Reconsider your decision. Please, you have to. Please, just see it like a child that was just being stupid. I didn't know what I was doing at the moment. I was consumed with rage and I was going through a lot of trauma. I beg you in the name of the gods we worship. I beg you in the name of everything, in the name of the love we once shared, please. Please do not do this to me because I don't know where I'll go to. I promise, I promise all my life I will never do it again. I was just this. Your father he destroyed me. Your father destroyed my life. He ruined my life. I couldn't look past the hate and the rage. I did what I did because I wasn't thinking right.
I am not my father. You've decided to take your own pound of flesh. So, I am going to have your bags sent to your father's house.
My king. My king, please.
My lawyer will bring the papers for you to sign.
My king.
Have a nice day.
My king.
I love you, I hate you, on number what will be. Life is not the way you see it. Listen well, before you take action, one more. Life is not the way you see it. Listen well, before you take action, one more. Life is not the way it is.
Where are you going to? I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? Eh? Where are you going to?
Oh, are you still asking me? Okay, fine. I will tell you. I am going back to my father's house. I am tired of this marriage. I am tired.
I don't get it. Why? Eh? Why do you want to leave me now? Why?
Are you really asking me that question? Hey! Jesus! Eh? Lydia, you have suffered. Chineke nabiko zenigiri kamere. Eh? I am tired of this marriage. I am leaving you for good. You are poor and left with nothing. Yes, I, Lydia, cannot live in this poultry of yours. Ikabulam, I am tired of this marriage.
So because I'm poor, that's the reason you're leaving, right?
I am leaving you for good. Nonsense.
Because things turned around, things turned down for me. I see.
Listen well before you take action one more. Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. And the best to come to those who never give up at all.
It's okay, my darling. Just calm down. Thank God you're finally back. Okay, go. Relax.
We all are humans. Everybody makes mistakes.
Yeah.
I would like you to just forget about everything that happened. Push them behind you. Face your future. You still have a brighter future to live, my daughter.
Yes.
Remember, you are royalty. You have a very bright future. Please.
Dad. Mom. Yes, my dear. I am sorry for taking revenge into my own hands. And as a result, I dragged the name of this kingdom through the mud. No, my dear. No, not at all. I just...
Daughter, I told you it is okay. Our joy is that you are alive. Yeah. And back here, back home. Listen, like I said before, you have a brighter future. Forget about the past.
Thank you, Dad.
It's okay, my daughter. It's well with you.
It's okay. It's alright, my baby. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay, my love. It's alright. It's okay.
A hungry belly has no ears. If you do me today, tomorrow it be my turn. A hungry belly has no ears. If you do me today, tomorrow it be my turn. My turn. Danger, danger. You expose yourself to danger, danger. You have exposed yourself, danger, danger. To danger, expose yourself.